Good morning, friends. This is a series of lecture for TY-BSc Analytical Chemistry student. As we have learned about some chapters associated with the analytical chemistry belonging to the TY-BSc Analytical Chemistry syllabus. Now, in this video, we are going to learn about some definition or some basic concept involving in gravimetric analysis, or we can say gravimetry. So, gravimetry analysis basically it deals with the study of the weight of the substance, or weight is obtained in the pure form as possible, of definite proportion like an element or a compound. Now this is the definition of gravimetric analysis. Now here some definitions including gravimetric analysis are given here. The first definition is that seeding. Now what is the seeding? Supersaturation is an unstable state which may be brought to a state of stable equilibrium by addition of crystal, which is called as a seeding of the solution. Now seeding is nothing but we are going to add crystals here, and supersaturation state is highly unstable, and it will bring back to into a complete equilibrium or stable state by adding some crystals on the precipitate. That is nothing but we can say seeding or seeding of the solution. Now the next one is co-precipitation. The process in which the precipitation of foreign substance takes place along with the desired precipitate, that is called as a co-precipitation. The process in which, now here co means what? Other one. So other one means what? Foreign substance. So you have to remember this word co. So that is nothing but the foreign substance. The process in which the precipitation of foreign substance takes place along with the desired precipitate. So we get the desired precipitate, no doubt, but there is a formation of some foreign substance or for other substance takes place, and these other substances, the total phenomena is called as a co-precipitation. Now the next one is post-precipitation. The precipitation which occurs on the surface of precipitate after its formation is called as a post-precipitation. So post-precipitation is nothing but the precipitation which takes place on the surface of precipitate after its formation. So there is a formation of two precipitate. If you say, then can say there is a formation of two precipitate. One is there. One is the desired precipitate. Another one is precipitation takes place on the surface of desired precipitate. That is nothing but the post-precipitation. Now the next one is digestion. Now digestion is nothing but the precipitate is allowed to stand for 12 to 24 hours, and washing is given to that particular precipitate, and warming is done here after some time. So definition of digestion is there. The process of allowing the precipitate to stand for 12 to 24 hours at room temperature, or sometimes by warming this precipitate for some time in contact with liquid from which it was formed, is called as a digestion. So the process of allowing, now here precipitate is allowed to stand for 12 to 24 hours at room temperature, or sometimes by warming the precipitate. So warming is done in the water bath. So warming is done here with the help of water bath, and it is continued for some time in contact with liquid from which it was formed in is called as a digestion. So liquid is provided, and this liquid is nothing but it is the same that is from which precipitate is obtained. So that is the digestion. Now the next one is precipitating reagent. What is the precipitating reagent? For the precipitation of desired constituent from the solution, chemical reagent is used. So for the precipitation to be formed, chemical reagent should be used, and that chemical reagent is called as a precipitating reagent. Now the next one is precipitation from homogeneous solution. When the precipitating reagent is generated in solution containing analyte by chemical reaction, is called as a precipitation from homogeneous solution. So precipitation from homogeneous solution is nothing but when precipitating reagent is generated in solution containing analyte. So formation of precipitating reagent is nothing but the precipitation from homogeneous solution. So that is nothing but the formation of precipitating reagent is nothing but the precipitation from homogeneous solution. And what is the definition of that? When the precipitating reagent is generated in solution containing analyte by chemical reaction, is called as precipitation from homogeneous solution. So that is nothing but all about the definitions involving gravimetric analysis. With this content, I conclude this lecture. Thank you very much for your patience listening.